Siblings.
Walang
Siblings.
Basa. Sa WhatsApp. Nice day. Kahit saan. Tapos mo na.
Siblings.
Yan o. Archie, look at her.
Hi.
Nababa masyado kay Aliyah. Hindi kita. Yan.
Alia.
Kinchana.
Genjana, ding 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 ding. Genjana, ding 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 ding. Archie, what about Archie? Ready?
Kinchana.
Genjana, ding ding ding. Come on. Ding ding ding.
Kinchana.
Genjana, ding 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 ding. Genjana, ding 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 ding. Kalimutan ko mag-video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Izzy Bustamante and today we are here at the airport in Terminal 4, Adolfo Suarez, Madrid Barajas. Terminal 4, básicamente. Y mi abuelo y yo nos vamos ahora mismo. We're now waiting for a wheelchair. This is my Lola. Lola, nandito po kami sa car.
Abu Dhabi, ¿verdad?
Sí. Punta na po kami sa gate S42. Ang departure time is 29 at 9:15, pero yung board time namin is 8:55 p.m. So mga 8:55 boarding. Lola, say hi! Na po. Anyways, I'm gonna video like this because saka maka-video. Boarding na po kami. Andito na po yun. This is the plane, Abu Dhabi, Etihad Airways. Hi guys! Andito na po kami sa aeroplano. Window seat. Hi guys. So, ano ko na command and the lost ko yung call. Kasi hindi ko na pa-part. Ano ba yung food? Nag-order ako ng mango juice, tas chicken with mashed potatoes. Bathroom tour. Guys, dito na po kami sa Abu Dhabi. Basically, sinabi nila, last call na. Kaya tumakbo na kami lahat. Hi guys, andito na po kami sa kabilang airplane. Ang sasakyan namin right now is Spanish na aircraft. Estamos viajando con Vamos Air. Flight time is at 8:45 a.m. and it's currently 8:30, so we have 15 minutes. Yeah. Madami pang bakante na upuan, so maybe someone will switch or something. My grandma and I are seated at 9A and 9B. 9 Alpha y 9 Bravo. Window seat. Ako pa. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fastened seatbelts has been switched off. Please refrain from removing any hand-carried items from the overhead bins until the aircraft has come to a full stop and the cabin door has been opened for you to deplane. Before deplane, however, please check your seating area for any hand-carried items you might leave on board. On end, we hope to see you again soon in one of your future flights. Once again, from Asia's sunniest and the heart of the Filipino. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.
Guys, nakarating na po kami sa Philippines. Nandito na po kami sa Manila International Airport, Gate 5. And this has been a journey. My hands hurt. Sa car na kami. Hi guys, andito po kami ngayon sa Jollibee because you can never go without a classic. So, nirequest ko po sa